Good morning, cough department. I have a cough for you, sir.
Everyone has a cough department inside his head.
Another cough, sir.
Cut down the signals your cough department sends out, and you stop unnecessary coughing. Vicks cough silencers with a special cough suppressant do just that, so you get real relief.
Sir, I am not getting through.
Vicks cough silencers.
Sir, your cough has been disconnected.